In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import bank transactions into Notion. By the end, you'll have your transactions neatly organized in a Notion database, ready to review, categorize, and analyze. First, start by exporting your transactions from your bank as a CSV file. Log into your bank's website or app and look for the option to download or export your transaction history. Choose CSV as the file format, since that's the one Notion accepts directly. If you can set a date range, pick the period you want to bring into Notion. Make sure the export includes the key columns you'll need: date, description, and amount. Save the file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated finance folder, so you can grab it quickly during the import. Next, move over to Notion to bring that CSV in. If you want to create a brand new database from your transactions, open the Notion sidebar, go to Settings, then select Import, and choose CSV. Click to upload the CSV you just downloaded from your bank. Notion will create a new table from that file, which is great if you are starting fresh or building a dedicated finance page. If you already have a Notion database set up and you want to add these transactions to it, open that database, click the three-dot menu at the top right, and select Merge with CSV. This option appends the rows from your CSV into the existing table, which helps keep everything in one place and avoids recreating structure you already use. As the file imports, Notion will prompt you to map your CSV columns to your database properties. This part is important for clean data. Map the date column from your CSV to a date property in Notion so you can sort and filter by time. Map the description column to your main name or a text property so each row clearly shows the merchant or memo. Then map the amount column to a number property. If your bank uses negatives for expenses and positives for income, keep that format so totals calculate correctly. Take a moment to confirm headers line up and adjust the property types if needed so dates look like dates and amounts behave like numbers. Once you confirm, Notion will import or merge the rows. Give everything a quick scan to ensure values landed in the right columns. That's it, your bank transactions are now in Notion and ready to work with. Thanks for watching.